Hello guys, I'm Eranda Danushkar. I hope you all are doing well and today's video is going to be about utility software. So let's get right into the video. Utility software is a specific category of software that supports a computer system run properly and smoothly, not only but also with safety and efficiency. They have capability to analyzing, configuring, optimizing and maintaining a particular part of your computer system. Most of the utility software comes packaged with an operating system. They supports to computer by keeping the system running smoothly. Most of the time, users have capability to install replacement or additional utilities. For example, Windows operating system has embedded anti-malware utility software, system monitoring software, debugging software, and network utility software. Also, you can install your own any kind of different software from any company that provides additional or enhanced services by comparison. Alright, then let's check out furthermore details about one of the compression utility software called Winrar. First of all, let's check out what is the file compression is. File compression is basically when we store one or more files in the form of an archive. Furthermore, size of the file reduced in the compressing process. Hence, less storage was used. Also, file sharing becomes quiet and easy. These compression utilities also allow to decompress the files, and amazing thing is there is no loss of any form of data during the compression or decompression process. There are two types of file compression method. First one is lossless file compression. In this method, files be compressed without losing any data, and its file compression is done by removing redundancy in data. Therefore, instead of saving the same file in the database again and again, only one copy of data is saved. Hence, the data in files remain the same but takes up less space on the system. Moreover, when we decompress the files, the data gets back to its original form. Usually, we use this type of file compression in text and spreadsheet files because in such cases, the loss of data is not acceptable. Second compression method is lossy file compression. The basic working is the same as lossless file compression, although some data of the files are permanently lost. Furthermore, these losses generally occur in media files like images, audios, and videos. These losses do not affect working and are not even noticeable. This happens because very few data is lost at two in the form of bits. Besides, the loss is out of the human range of listening or seeing. In that case, you might be in problem. What is the redundancy? Well, let's figure it out this way. It is a condition in which a single piece of data repeats many times. This means that the database will have more than one copy of the same data. For example, in a file, the customer name John may occur more than once. Such condition is called redundancy. We can point out some uses of compression like this. We can compress and store files that are not used frequently. Compressing files helps to free up space on the hard disk. Efficient memory management is the benefit of the file compression. Large media files can be easily stored. Transferring files becomes easy since there is a size limit of sending attachments in emails. Hence, file compression can help to send big files easily. Last but not least, large files can be easily shared online with less size. Here are some examples of file compression utilities for Windows users and Mac users. For Windows users, there are Winrar, WinZip, LZip, 7zip, and Zip Archive. For Mac users, there is a software called MacRara, MacZip, and Stuffit. Okay guys, I will show some demonstration about file compression in Windows 10. In my computer runs Windows 10 operating system, and now I will demonstrate the compressing process. Here I am using Winrar utility software. First, right-click the file or folder which you want to compress. Then select the Add to Archive option. Then it will pop up the Some Property window. In here, we have three archive formats, respectively RAR, RAR5, and ZIP. Usually we use files and first and last formats. You can change the compression method if you want, but I leave it as it is. You can set the password also here. Then click OK. And it will compress your file. Okay guys, that's all for the day guys. Hope you got all this stuff. So with that, my brief introduction to utility software ends here. I think you will be able to gain some sort of understanding about utility software, and thank you very much.